Yo, what's good, y'all? This is Turtleneck from KOFFI NOIR with another unboxing, and today I am super excited to reveal this shoe to you guys. I've been waiting for it now for a couple months. There's been a delay with shipping and customs and all that stuff like that. So it's been, a little crazy considering recently I've been doing several unboxings and orders have just been coming in, and just being able to see the reactions on our clients' faces is just priceless. And guess what? I have another unboxing for you guys because I've been literally waiting for this sneaker to get here. And without further ado, let's dive in. Boom. We have here the Musa Runner. I named this shoe after an important historical figure, I think, for the culture, and personally someone, for myself or whatnot, that I really appreciate and love to really learn about. Mansa Musa himself. He is known for being the richest man to ever exist in world civilization, world history, or whatnot. And, this man was so rich, he would, collapse, other people's economies, all kind of stuff like that. And of course, he's coming out of Africa, out of Mali. And that's just, Mansa Musa, straight up. So this is the Musa Runner. As you guys can see here, it got different leather panels on here. We have some linen right here. Of course, my favorite, the suede heel tab. And of course, we got a Vibram sole. It's a very nice sneaker. We got some red lining in here. Of course, the Nubia shoe trees. And I really wanted to make something fun. Summer and spring are like literally knocking on the door, like right around the corner. And I thought this would be dope. Now, the reason why I tell you guys I was excited about this sneaker is because of an earlier sample that I had made maybe about 3 or 4 months ago, and everybody was on my helmet about getting this sneaker, and also what inspired the name Mansa Musa in the first place. And it was the Musa Safari, or my version of the Safari sneaker. As you guys can see here, look at this, the Python right here. I got the crocodile mid, of course, the leopard heel, and this orange, burnt orange suede heel tab. And also I have some linen here. It's camouflage, actually, to be exact. But this is what inspired the name Mansa Musa. Like, that was the first thing that came to mind when I designed this sneaker. And I was like, you know what, I will call this the Musa Runner. And this is my Safari version of the Safari sneaker, as you guys have seen with, Air Maxes, and I think Puma did their version of a Safari. Well, this is my version. But what makes these better than those is this is actual real Python. This is real crocodile on here. And I'm using high quality materials to design this shoe. It's a fun sneaker. I get a lot of reviews when I wear it. This is a sample and it's not up on the website. However, if you are interested in creating your own version of this sneaker, or you want this particular sneaker, feel free to email me at info@koffinoir.com, and we can sit down with the free consultation, of course, and start designing a pair of your own version of the Safari sneaker. Also, too, that is where we do our customization service. There's a lot of folks that go on the website and they may see something there that they like, but they may want a different colorway or things in that nature. You just shoot us an email, and within a day or so, we'll be ready with the consultation so you can start designing your own shoe. Now, maybe you're not someone that's necessarily interested in doing customization. Don't worry, we got you covered. Just pick from the wide selection that we have on the website, and we got you covered there. Also, if you're someone that's a little bit more conservative, but you want a custom shoe that fits your foot real well, again, we're always happy to help you through that process and designing a shoe that fits your personal needs and your current lifestyle. But with that being said, this is a really quick unboxing from KOFFI NOIR. Again, if you want to visit the website, go to koffinoir.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. Again, you can email us at info@koffinoir.com. Again, we're trying to build our community here at KOFFI Noir, and we ask that you like, you share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any notifications when we post KOFFI Noir related content. Also too, what do you guys think about the Musa Runner? Is this something that you guys can see in your wardrobes? You know, would you guys style these? How would you style these? Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Also, share your opinions about the shoe. What do you guys think about the Musa Runner? Is there something that we should do different? All your thoughts, all your opinions are welcome. Again, that has been our KOFFI Noir unboxing. My name is Black Bruin with KOFFI Noir, and we look forward to chopping it up with you next time. Peace.